Hi and welcome to my kitchen. This week's recipe, flourless chocolate cake. Indulgent, decadent, and delicious. Taking one bite is like having a bite of a chocolate truffle. So satisfy your chocolate craving with this simple and easy recipe. This is what you'll need to get started. You will need darkened milk chocolate, eggs, and sugar. No flour here. Starting with your darkened milk chocolate, break those up. Over a double boiler, go ahead and melt the chocolate and add room temperature unsalted butter to the mix. Get that nice and incorporated and then set aside to cool. Next, you want to work with 3 egg yolks. Go ahead and place those into a bowl and then add 2 whole eggs to that mix. So in goes the 2 whole eggs. Then you want to use about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and just about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now the key here is to pump air into this mixture because there is no flour, baking soda, or baking powder. So use an electric mixer and give that a good whisk. In a separate mixer, go ahead and get the egg whites, 3 egg whites, and about 1/4 cup of sugar. Whip those into stiff peaks, and that's your meringue. Now, your chocolate mixture has come to room temperature, and you could add it to the egg and sugar mixture. Go ahead and give that a nice whip, add the chocolates, and whisk vigorously. Again, this is where you want to take that opportunity to incorporate as much air to get the rise that we need. I moved to an electric mixer because, again, I want to get as much air into the batter as I can at that step. The next step is adding the meringue in batches to the chocolate sugar mixture. Here is where I incorporate a little bit at a time until you get a creamy consistency. That's what you want your batter to look like. Pour that into your greased pan, and just like that. Now in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, go ahead and bake for 35 minutes. Remove the lining from the back and then put onto your serving tray. You do not need to cool. Just add a little bit of dusting of powdered sugar over top, and that crackling is characteristic of flourless chocolate cake. Using just a butter knife to slice this is how soft and delicate it is. You're ready to go. Look at that beautiful chocolate. And you could serve this at room temperature with some cream, berries, or ice cream, or have it just as it is. Indulge it all on its own. And there you have it, guys. Flourless chocolate cake. Absolutely a delicious, simple, and easy recipe for summertime baking. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below on how your recipe comes together. And I'll see you next Monday with a new recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.